Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So we will start to modeling of this area. Okay, all this area. So without wasting time, let's start. See, the FCU is here and bottom of duct is 2800 and size is 400 to 50 supply air duct. So I already explained about the drawing in my previous tutorial, so request you that go and watch first that video. Okay, so let's start. See here, this is the supply air duct. So here supply air duct, here is a lot of duct. Okay, and here the system type is supply air duct. Okay, the bottom of elevation is 2800 and we will start to modeling, but the size is 400 by 250, then 400 by 250, done. Okay, and after we will place here the FCU S504. Yes, S504 is here. Just place here. The elevation is 2800, or we will align later. Here is in and this side is out, so we will mirror it. Okay, yes, now HH and this one we can delete, and HR, and after that the size is 400 to 50, but the problem here is the justification is, see, justification is right side. Okay, so we will do justification the right side, right? Okay, select, and here what is size 400 to 50. The space is not 400 and 250. Okay, then we can draw long so that our this piece will create, and after that we will select this one and adjust. Okay, or you can delete this piece, no issue, and align with this piece. Okay, the elevation here is 2800, right? So also we will make this one 2800 bottom elevation. Now fine, and we can connect. This piece is created. Now similarly here the duct is 300 and 200, so draw duct 300 and 200 and we will start to create. Okay, and we can align with reference to the AutoCAD. Okay, here is the reducer. Okay, so it will adjust our reducer. Fine. Here is the register. See, supply register. Okay, but return grill. Supply register size is 450 150. Put supply register 450 150. But this register size is 300 200. So I will adjust 450 and 150. Okay, now I can adjust and align the wall. Fine. Okay, see, then also here the grill register, because this is a supply. And what is the size? This branch size is, here it is mentioned anywhere. Let's see, 350 150. Yeah. So what I will do, not mention, I will measure it 450. Okay, then 450 150. So what I will do, just create similar, and for what is the size, 450. So create size, create, and 450. Okay, and height is 200. Okay, here height is 200. Then we can place the register. Okay, and after that we can align. Fine. See, so like this we can model, and later we can coordinate. Okay, because the plumbing which we created earlier will clash here. See, it will clash too much. Here it is not clashing, fine, but here the trap is clashing, so we can adjust little bit. And after that, here is the problem. So what we have to do, we have to take cut here and up and connect here, and this one we can shift this side, so the place will be removed. Okay, so this is the matter of coordination, we will see later. Okay, but after modeling, see we already model here, then we will do this one, we will do, and this one. Okay, so I hope you understand how to model. Okay, so in next we will start this area together. Okay, so thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.